Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our Thursday night newscast. Mike Schultz with you once again talking about the weather. A few flurries here and there today, but no real snow as we're expecting, so no real accumulation, obviously. We still have snow in the forecast, but temperatures are not going to change a whole lot. It's going to continue this way right on through the weekend, so it looks pretty good. Our photograph night is an unusual one. This one, Klaus Gum, or Goom, I'm not sure. But anyway, sunrise at the airport. The thing I think is really cool is the way the sun is reflecting through the clouds and these beams here. That's a really cool effect there. And as always, if you have a photograph to share, and if you have a Christmas photograph to share, well, by all means, send it to photos@ktvf11.com. Now, speaking of photos, well, our Fab Photo Calendar is still available at these places: Personnel Plus, Ice Fog Vapor, The Fudge Pot, River City Cafe, 907 Organic, Big Daddy's Barbecue, Graphic North, and the Prescription Center. All those have still some calendars you can pick up for a nice stocking stuffer. And again, they're pretty good. They're pretty cool this year. A lot of good photographs. All right, here's your numbers for today. The high today, 11. The low last night, 10 below. The record high, 44 in 1934. The record low, 49 below in 1916. Sunrise and sunset, about 4 hours and 32 minutes. A loss of 5 minutes from yesterday. And the satellite picture, again, showing a little bit more moisture working its way across the Alaska Range. Like some of this is possibly going to give us some light snow shower activity over the next couple of days, but nothing really heavy. There's no real organized system. The storm track is way down to the south, so it's not really affecting us that much, although it is over southeast Alaska. Still a pretty good flow of moisture there. On the map, you can see once again that Juneau and Ketchikan, looking at just cloudy skies at Juneau, but some more showers around the Ketchikan area. Partly cloudy skies at Anchorage. Kodiak, looking at a few scattered showers. A little more concentrated rain along the Aleutian chain around Cold Bay, but you get over the other side, things look pretty good. Clear to partly cloudy skies, only 7 degrees for the high in Nome today. 9 below at Barrow with mostly cloudy skies, and partly cloudy skies at Fort Yukon, 5 degrees below zero. On the lower 48, look at this storm system moving to the west coast. It's a very powerful one, bringing with it a wide variety of weather, strong winds, heavy rain, heavy snow to the higher elevations. This system is going to continue to bring a lot of cold air in behind it. You can see there. So it looks like a pretty good dumper as far as precipitation goes. To the east, you can see a little bit of shower activity, the remains of that jet stream that was moving across yesterday. And once again, back to the west coast, you can see, again, a lot of snow, 3 to 6 feet. 3 to 6 feet in the higher elevations, and almost 2 feet of rain in some of the lower elevations, with mainly around 6 to 12. This will be through early next week, so a lot of precipitation coming in with that system. The jet stream, once again, a big dive down to the middle of the part of the country, which will bring cooler air and possibly more snow to the Central Plains, and rain continues across the Pacific Northwest. Time once again for our kids' weather, and all this week we've been talking with the kids from North Pole Elementary School. But tonight, let's hear from what the teacher has with an interesting weather fact to share with you and her class.
Hello, my name is Mrs. Bartlett, and this is my 4th grade class here at North Pole Elementary. We have a weather fact to share with you. Class, did you know that the warmest temperature ever recorded in the lower 48 was at Death Valley, California?
No.
The temperature rose to a sizzling 134 degrees.
Wow.
Her class has a lot of fun. And again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather. Next week, we'll visit another school. How about Pearl Creek Elementary with the kids there? Here's our forecast for the northern sections of Alaska. Mostly cloudy skies for Barrow, scattered snow showers for Nome, and flurries will become snow showers in the Fort Yukon region. Here in the interior, well, not too much going on, really. Flurries for Fairbanks and Healy. Snow showers will become flurries later on in Delta Junction. Over the southeastern sections, scattered showers again over the southern areas around Ketchikan, just areas of fog in Juneau. To the southwest part of the state, a mixed bag of weather once again, mixed rain and snow for Cold Bay, morning snow showers for Kodiak, and partly cloudy skies for Bethel. And over the south central regions, looks like isolated snow showers at Anchorage, partly cloudy skies in Homer, and some snow showers for Valdez. And it's Thursday night, which means it's time for our road conditions. And you can see here that we're looking at the Dalton Elliott highways, icy spots, snow-packed areas, also some wind and some higher elevations. Keep that in mind. And as far as the Steese Richardson Highway, blowing snow, icy patches, snow on the road, and down around the Parks Highway, glazed road, icy spots, and some wind, so everything just about basically the same for all the roads leading in and out of the Fairbanks area. Again, thanks to Jose Body and Paint and Mongold Insurance. And our forecast for tonight for the Fairbanks area, cloudy skies, chance of a little snow, 1 degree for the overnight low. Tomorrow's forecast calling for continued cloudy skies, and again, a chance of snow, 13 degrees for the high. The 5-day outlook, look at that. The clouds and snow out of the picture, but temperatures pretty consistent, cooling off a little bit toward the end of the period there. And overnight lows will also be cooling a little bit, but still for this time of year, these temperatures are unbelievable. We should be looking at 10 to 15 to 20 below for overnight lows, and I'm sure Joe's not too unhappy about that.